starting to drip, drizzle, whatever. Dude. Okay, there's groot probleem hier, so hulle maak nie ons robots reg nie, ons verkeersligte, die verkeersligte. They don't speak to our fucking robots, I wondered why. Hierdie ou ry net, dan kan ek sommer saam met hom ry. Try to stay in harmony with the fucking flow of the traffic. Because you know people around here in Polokwane, if it rains, dan kan niemand bestuur. Ek kan nie bestuur, jy weet twee. You have to tell me about it anyway. That's now one traffic light. Other one I didn't record, I was on the phone so I couldn't record that one. So anyway. Dis verskriklik. Terrible. Check. Confusion, always confusion. Jy kan maar ry, okay? Eindelijk my beer, hoor, jy moes op my van Bosveld, jy moes weggestaan en wacht uit. Daai ou wacht uit met my mense nie. No patience, no leniency, ha. Anyway, no procedures are followed, the law is followed. Next, check. Jy moet check hierso, jy moet check. Hierso is twee trok aan my linkerkant, so I'll let me go over to my right hand side. Okay, why am I doing this? I get caught behind all those other vehicles. Okay, hierso is 'n robot wat werk. Hier's 'n robot wat werk. Mense, dis nou net vir 'n robot wat groen is. Beloof jou, promise you, it was a green robot. You can go and rewind and check, no problem. Okay, the police is just 4 or 5 cars in front of me. Police is close by. In the vicinity. In die omgewing. Die polisie. Anyway. Then people tend to forget. Okay, now what's it dripping now? Now the rain is gone. The rain in Polokwane falls mainly in the plain. Mainly in the plain. On it for 5 or 10 minutes and then it's gone. No rain. It's a drizzle for 5 or 10 seconds and then it's gone. Genoeg om die kar nat te maak en dan by at the time you get home, as jy by die huis kom, is die kar droog. Uitgemergel droog. Check, daar's police car. I don't know if you can see the police vehicle. Right in front, 10111. Green light, go. Thank you very much for making space. People don't go over to the left hand side anymore. En die ou daai het ons geleer in die wet, die goue wet van die pad is hou links en gaan regs verby. Jy kan maar gaan kyk in die boeke, gaan kyk maar in al die boeke waar hulle leer. Okay, hier is die polisie. Hulle sê net hou links, of keep left, dis al. Daar is nie meer van pass right nie. The police vehicle is going to turn left. Can you believe it? Out of gratitude and thankfulness. Ek sê ons baie dankie. We are going to turn here to the side. Yippee! Not Okay, here's nou verkeersligte wat nie werk nie as gevolg van it can't be fixed. Can they fix it? They can fix it. They don't want. Do they want to fix it? They really want to fix it, but due to the fact of corruption, glo my, die ouens stel belang om die plek nice te maak hier in die ronde. Ons almal praat so, we all talk about it. Anyway, it's one of those things, it's one of those things. Turning left here. So. Can you believe it? Dude, I've got my indicators on. Kom, julle moet verby ry. Can't you see that I'm gonna turn? Pothole one here, only potholes in the area. Okay.